Good morning, dear students. Now we are going to deal with the continuation of our last topic, that is renal circulation. Yesterday we have discussed regarding the renal circulation. So today I am continuing with that topic. Okay. So how we can measure the renal blood flow, that is measurement of renal blood flow. So there are mainly two parameters or two indicators for measuring the renal blood flow. That factors necessary to determine renal blood flow are renal plasma flow and percentage of plasma volume in the blood. So it is estimated based on one substance, that is pH clearance. pH means para-amino hippuric acid. So para-amino hippuric acid clearance helps to determine the renal plasma volume. Renal blood flow. So pH clearance, a substance called the para-amino hippuric acid, is filtered and secreted, but it cannot be absorbed. So usually this para-amino hippuric acid is produced by the body and it can be filtered through the kidney, but it is not absorbed. Okay. So how much of this pH is present in the plasma, or how much of this plasma is passed through the kidney? Based on that we can calculate the pH clearance. അതായത് എത്രത്തോളം pH ഉള്ള പ്ലാസ്മയാണ് കിഡ്നിയിലൂടെ പാസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്നതിനനുസരിച്ച് നമുക്ക് pH ക്ലിയറൻസ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. ഓക്കെ. Then a known amount of pH, how we can perform this procedure? That is the next thing. Okay. So a known amount, a particular amount of pH is injected into the body, and after some time we can check the pH level in our plasma, then in our urine, and volume of urine excreted out. So based on these three indicators, that is amount of pH in plasma, then amount of pH in urine, and volume of urine excreted out. Based on these three factors we can calculate the renal plasma flow. So if an example is given here. So consider if concentration of pH in urine is 66 mg per dl and concentration of pH in plasma is 0.1 milligram per dl and volume of urine output is 1 ml per minute. Then how we can calculate the renal plasma flow? So it can be calculated by an equation. The equation is UV divided by P. U means concentration of pH in the urine, so which is 66 milligram here. Okay. Then V is the volume of urine output. Okay. So here it is 1 milli per minute, and P is the concentration of pH in the plasma, so which is 0.1 milligram per dl here in this example. Okay. So UV by P, UV divided by P, which is equal to 66 into 1 divided by 0.1. So that is equal to 660 ml per minute. So in this way we can calculate the renal plasma flow. Now we are calculated the renal plasma flow. Then percentage of plasma volume is indirectly determined by using packed cell volume. So with the help of the packed cell volume also we can indirectly calculate the renal plasma volume. If we consider that if the packed cell volume is 45%, then plasma volume in the blood is how much? 100 minus 45, that is 55%. Okay, so total all the cells, that is packed cell volume of all cells, that is RBC, WBC and platelets are together known as what? Packed cell volume, and the remaining volume is considered as the plasma volume. So in this here in this example the PCV is 45%, that is the volume of all blood cells, WBC, RBC, platelets, and all the blood cells are 45%. So what will be the plasma volume in blood? So we all know that total percentage is 100. So 45% is constituted by the packed cell volume. Then plasma volume in the blood is 100 minus 45, that is 55%. So 55 ml of plasma is present in every 100 ml of blood. Okay. Then renal blood flow. Renal blood flow, which is equal to renal plasma flow divided by percentage of plasma in the blood. So here there is a mistake. It is only renal blood flow. Okay, there is no division and this things has to be deleted. So renal blood, the equation is renal blood flow is equal to renal plasma flow divided by percentage of plasma in blood. Okay, renal blood flow is equal to renal plasma flow divided by percentage of plasma in the blood. So renal blood flow is 660 ml per minute, that we have calculated here. And so renal blood flow is 660 milli per minute, and amount of plasma in blood is, we have seen here, that is 55%. So amount of plasma in blood is 55%. So renal blood flow with the help of the equation, that is renal plasma flow, which is 660 mg, and percentage of plasma in blood is 55%. That means 55 divided by 100. So while solving this problem, we will get 1200 ml per minute. So by this way we can calculate the renal blood flow.